Deep in the heart of Southeast Asia, veiled in mist and mystery, lies Borneo. This island, a jewel of biodiversity, beckons with secrets whispered on the wind. It's an island of ancient rainforests, a tapestry woven from emerald greens and earthy browns, teeming with vibrant life that pulses through every leaf and vine. These forests have stood for millennia, witnessing the slow dance of evolution. The canopy above, a sun-drenched realm far above the forest floor, teems with countless species, a symphony of life played out among the branches. From colorful birds to elusive primates, the rainforest canopy is a world unto itself. Sunlight filters through the dense foliage, breaking into golden shafts that illuminate the undergrowth, painting the forest floor in dappled patterns of light and shadow. This light is the lifeblood of the rainforest, fueling the growth of countless plants and sustaining a complex web of life. Here, amidst this vibrant tapestry of life, lives a remarkable being, a creature both familiar and profoundly different from ourselves. It's the orangutan, a name that translates to person of the forest in the local language, a testament to their close connection to this ancient ecosystem. They are the true inhabitants of this realm. With their distinctive reddish-brown hair, a vibrant hue against the green backdrop of the forest, and soulful eyes that seem to hold ancient wisdom, they captivate all who encounter them. Orangutans move gracefully through the treetops, their long arms and agile bodies perfectly adapted to life in the canopy. They are masters of their arboreal domain. They are the largest tree-dwelling mammals on Earth, a testament to the bounty and stability of their rainforest home. Their size is a reflection of the abundance that surrounds them. To see an orangutan in its natural home, to witness its unhurried movements and quiet observations, is to witness a living connection to our own evolutionary past, a glimpse into the shared ancestry that binds us to all life on Earth. It's a humbling and awe-inspiring experience. Imagine meeting the gaze of a mother orangutan, her eyes reflecting the deep history of her species, her infant clinging close, a tiny replica of herself, seeking comfort and security in her embrace, her eyes filled with quiet intelligence, a knowingness that transcends the boundaries of language and species. The forest provides everything she needs, a generous and abundant home that sustains her and her offspring. Food, the fruits and leaves that make up her diet, carefully selected and consumed with deliberate precision. Shelter, a carefully constructed nest high in the trees, and a safe place to raise her young, protected from predators and the elements. The bond between mother and child is among the strongest in the animal kingdom, a testament to the power of maternal love and the importance of family in orangutan society, lasting for years as she teaches her offspring the skills they need for survival in the rainforest, passing down generations of knowledge and wisdom. Orangutans are individuals, each with their own distinct quirks and preferences, each with unique personalities and histories, shaped by their experiences and interactions within their social groups. They share nearly 97% of our DNA, a staggering figure that underscores our close evolutionary relationship. To look into the eyes of an orangutan, to truly connect with their gaze, is to see a reflection of ourselves, a reminder of our shared origins and the interconnectedness of all life. In Borneo's Green Cathedral, a place of ancient trees and whispering leaves, these gentle giants remind us of the wild world we all come from, a world that deserves our respect and protection. They are a living testament to the beauty and fragility of life on Earth. Orangutans are more than just beautiful creatures. Their intelligence, their gentle nature, and their striking appearance captivate us. But their true value extends far beyond their aesthetic appeal. They are the rainforest's great gardeners, playing a vital role in maintaining the health and biodiversity of this precious ecosystem. As they eat fruit and travel throughout the forest, they disperse seeds across vast distances. These seeds, carried within their digestive systems, are then deposited in new locations, ready to sprout and grow. This process is essential for helping new trees grow and keeping the jungle healthy and thriving. Without this natural seed dispersal, the rainforest's ability to regenerate would be severely compromised. Without them, many tree species would struggle to reproduce and expand their populations. The delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem relies heavily on the orangutan's role as a seed disperser, and as a result, the forest would inevitably lose its diversity, becoming less resilient and more vulnerable to environmental changes. Orangutans also prune branches as they move through the trees, foraging for food and building their nests. This pruning action lets sunlight reach the forest floor, stimulating the growth of understory plants and supporting thousands of other species that depend on this sunlight. They are a keystone species, meaning their impact on the environment is disproportionately large relative to their population size. Their presence shapes the entire ecosystem, influencing everything from the composition of plant communities to the abundance of other animal species. Remove them, and the rainforest's intricate web of life begins to unravel, leading to cascading effects that can destabilize the entire ecosystem. Protecting orangutans, therefore, means protecting the whole forest and its biodiversity, ensuring the long-term health and resilience of this vital ecosystem. Borneo's rainforests are the lungs of the Earth, playing a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate. These forests act as a massive carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and releasing life-giving oxygen. By keeping these forests healthy and intact, orangutans contribute to this vital process. In doing so, orangutans help regulate the global climate, mitigating the effects of climate change and ensuring a more sustainable future for all. Their survival is inextricably linked to ours, and their fate is a reflection of our own. When we protect them, we secure a healthier future for all, safeguarding the planet's biodiversity and ensuring the well-being of future generations. The fate of orangutans and humanity is deeply intertwined, bound together by our shared dependence on a healthy planet. Saving them means saving the rainforest, and ultimately, saving ourselves from the devastating consequences of environmental destruction. Their story is our story, a tale of interconnectedness and interdependence written in the heart of Borneo's ancient rainforest. For centuries, orangutans thrived in Borneo's vast forests, masters of their arboreal domain. They roamed freely, their populations flourishing amidst the rich biodiversity of this equatorial paradise. The dense canopy provided them with everything they needed: food, shelter, and a safe haven from predators. But now, their paradise is vanishing at an alarming rate. The very foundations of their existence are being eroded, threatening their long-term survival. What was once a vibrant tapestry of green is now scarred by barren patches of destruction. The greatest threat is habitat loss, the relentless destruction of their rainforest home. Rainforests are cleared daily, sacrificed for the insatiable demands of palm oil, paper production, and timber industries. These economic drivers are pushing orangutans to the brink. Endless plantations replace the rich biodiverse jungle, transforming a complex ecosystem into a monoculture desert. The vibrant symphony of the rainforest is silenced, replaced by the monotonous rows of palm oil trees. This deforestation leaves orangutans homeless, displaced, and struggling to survive. Their ancestral lands, once teeming with life, are now barren wastelands. As arboreal animals, uniquely adapted to life in the trees, they lose their food sources, their protective shelter, and the safe pathways they need to move through the forest when the trees fall. Their entire way of life is disrupted. Isolated in shrinking patches of remaining forest, many starve due to lack of resources, or they simply cannot find mates to continue their lineage. Genetic diversity dwindles, further threatening their long-term viability. Deforestation is often brutal and unforgiving. Sometimes, in a rush to clear land, forests are deliberately burned, trapping slow-moving orangutans in deadly infernos, leaving them with no escape from the flames. Desperate for food and shelter, survivors wander into plantations, seeking sustenance, or they venture near human settlements, leading to increased conflict with humans and, all too often, resulting in injury or death for these magnificent creatures. The statistics are stark. Borneo has lost over half of its rainforest cover in recent decades, a devastating loss that has had a profound impact on orangutan populations. As a direct consequence, orangutan numbers have plummeted dramatically. Their future hangs in the balance. They are now classified as critically endangered, a designation that underscores the urgency of the situation. Just a century ago, historical records suggest there were hundreds of thousands of orangutans thriving in Borneo's forests, a testament to the richness and abundance of the ecosystem. Now, tragically, only a fraction of that number remain, scattered and struggling to survive in fragmented habitats. Their world is shrinking fast, disappearing before our very eyes. The clock is ticking. If we do not act decisively and swiftly, the gentle person of the forest, as they are known in Malay, could vanish forever from the face of the earth. The time to save them is now, before it is too late. We must act with urgency and determination. Their survival and the preservation of Borneo's precious rainforest depends on the choices we make today. Let us choose wisely. Beyond habitat loss, orangutans face the horror of the illegal wildlife trade. Poachers target infants, killing mothers who fiercely protect their young. Babies are ripped from their dying mothers, traumatized and smuggled in cruel conditions. Many die before reaching buyers. Survivors face lonely, unhealthy lives as pets. As they grow, they become unmanageable and are often abandoned or killed. Each stolen infant means one less future mother in the wild, pushing the species closer to extinction. Rangers and conservationists fight this hidden war, risking their lives to protect orangutans. The illegal trade is a tragedy for individuals and a disaster for the species. Ending it is essential for orangutan survival. Amid these threats, hope rises in Borneo. Local communities, scientists, and global organizations unite to protect orangutans. Locals serve as rangers and guardians, using generations of knowledge to defend the forest. Scientists track populations and design effective conservation strategies. International groups provide funding, resources, and global attention. Together, they rescue orangutans, restore forests, and educate the world. This united front proves that collective action can make a real difference. At the heart of conservation are rescue centers, places of healing and hope. Orphaned and injured orangutans arrive traumatized, needing round-the-clock care. Caregivers act as surrogate mothers, helping infants regain trust and strength. As they recover, young orangutans attend forest school to learn climbing, nest building, and foraging. They play, socialize, and slowly rediscover their wild instincts. Rehabilitation is a long journey, often taking years. The ultimate goal: release back into protected rainforest. Watching a rehabilitated orangutan return to the wild is a moment of triumph. Each release is a victory for the species and a testament to human dedication. These stories of recovery inspire hope. Every rescued orangutan is a step toward a brighter future. The work is hard, but the rewards are immeasurable. Together, we can give them a second chance. Saving orangutans means saving their home. Forest restoration transforms barren land into thriving jungle. Teams grow native seedlings, especially fruit trees vital for orangutans. Local workers and volunteers plant and nurture these trees, creating new forests over decades. Life returns. Insects, birds, and mammals follow the growing canopy. Restored forests connect isolated patches, allowing wildlife to move and thrive. Reforestation is a symbol of hope and healing. Every tree planted is a promise to the future. Seeing wild orangutans return to these new forests is the greatest reward. We can help nature recover, one tree at a time. The green heart of Borneo can beat strong again. Long-term success depends on changing hearts and minds. Education teaches local children the value of rainforests and orangutans, inspiring future conservationists. Responsible ecotourism provides income for communities, making forests more valuable alive than destroyed. Tourists become ambassadors, spreading awareness worldwide. Strong laws and enforcement are vital to stop illegal logging and wildlife trade. Conservation groups work with governments to protect habitats and prosecute offenders. Education, ecotourism, and law form a powerful strategy for change. Together, they create a future where people and orangutans thrive. The fight to save orangutans is global. Your choices matter. Be a conscious consumer. Choose products with certified sustainable palm oil or avoid it. Support organizations rescuing orangutans and restoring forests. Even small donations help. Symbolically adopt an orangutan or raise awareness in your community. Use your voice. Share stories, contact companies about palm oil, and urge leaders to support forest protection. Public pressure drives change. Every action, no matter how small, adds up. Together, we can rebuild the forest and secure a future for orangutans. Their survival is in our hands. Act with compassion and determination. Let the song of the person of the forest echo for generations to come.